Welcome back, Last Request Barbecue Show. This one is from Matt Pittman's Meat Church, which is a fantastic line of seasonings that also has a fantastic YouTube site. So do check it out. So it's inspired by Matt. So thank you, Matt, if you're listening. So what are we doing here? We are making a jalapeno chicken Cholula cheese deep fried crispy sandwich with butter, and it's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna give it a go. This takes about 24 hours. Heads up, simple recipe, but you're gonna have to brine your chicken. We're gonna brine them in these cans of, that's right, jalapeno. So a couple of cans, jalapeno, I chose this brand. And then once they come out, we are gonna cover with, check this out, Kent Rawlings chili. Now this is fantastic. Of course, this is from my friends at All Barbecue Canada. Thank you, All Barbecue Canada, for this great shirt. And for this chili seasoning. So this Kent Rawlings seasonings just smells amazing. It's got ancho chilies in it, so we're gonna put that on it as well. Lots, of course, of our Cholula. You're gonna see that melded with butter, and on top of that, from our good friends at Lakeview Cheese here in Mississauga from Girth. Thank you, Girth. Simple recipe, let's get going. All right, let's get going. So we've got our Vac Saver, Food Saver bag ready. We got some organic chicken, and I got these fillets. You could get whole chicken breasts. You could even use, of course, chicken thighs, which some people prefer because they are actually a little more juicy, but Matt Pittman is at Mrs. Meat Church. So I'm gonna say Mrs. Last Request Barbecue does not enjoy thighs, so I am making these out of thinly cut chicken breasts, which would just be just fine. I think we got 3, maybe 4 of these per package. It's great, having some folks over. These are already well trimmed, organic. I'm not gonna do much work at all on these. Got ourselves a mess of chicken. So as simple as this is gonna be, we are gonna put this in our bag. So I'm going to take this glove off, and there we go. We're gonna put it in our pickled jalapenos. I love this, has a pull top. So first thing we're gonna do is put some of these in. So we'll grab 3 of these. Simple as you can be. I got chicken hands here, as Matt says, but that's okay because it's all going in here. There we go, look at that. Got carrots in there for some reason. It smells amazing. I don't know how spicy these are gonna be, check that out. Now let's put a little more chicken in there. And we need a second can. These aren't so big, these cans. There we go, check that out. And in they go. And there we go. We got our chicken in. Let's get this over to the vac sealer. Nice and sealed, there we go. Now, as you can see, I did not suck out, like really suck out all the moisture that you can do like I did for the cheese, for example, but it makes for a beautiful, nice seal right there on your Food Saver, makes a nice seal. So I stop it kind of mid-rub, and it also allows me to move the chicken around and make sure all those juices, all those jalapenos are being evenly distributed. Now, as my habit, no matter what, I'm gonna put it on a tray, put it in the fridge, check that out. And we'll let that sit for 24 hours. We're back, see you tomorrow. All right, it's been 24 hours and check this out. Here we go, our chicken has been resting comfortably with our jalapenos. So let's get this out and in. Get it seasoned and get it grilled. It smells amazing. First of all, get our chicken out onto the board. We're gonna season it up. Couple of random carrots here. I don't know why carrots are in there, but maybe it adds a, I don't know, sweetness. If you are the brand owner, by all means, reach out and tell us why there's carrots in there. And in terms of, oh, found one, lost soldier in there. There we go. So I'm gonna put this all on the barbecue and just let this grill up. There we go. Spread those around and grill those up and kill all the chicken germs or whatever. So anyway, all right, that's good. So now let's put on our Kent Rawlings chili seasoning. This smells amazing. Healthy amount of this. Season up both sides. Lots of great friends over today, so we'll be making lots of chicken. All right, now we'll let that sit for a spell. Check that out. Because we're gonna deep fry these. Let's get our mixture going. So eggs, flour, and panko. I like lots of eggs. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Rawlings in here. And check this out from poultry.ca. Check that out. Thanks to the friends at Poultry Chicken for giving me this fun mixer. Perfect. And we got a bit of flour. Again, we're gonna mix in some of the Kent Rawlings seasoning into the flour. So I really want that seasoning flavor to come through. Mix that around. And of course we got our panko. So first, get into our flour and into our egg wash. Get those soaked, pull those off, and then into the panko. Into the panko they go. A little rough and ready, but that's all right. We got lots of panko, got lots of cooking to do. This smells pretty amazing, let me just tell you that. All right, and we got things well staged here. Now let's start, put them on the tray and let them sit for a spell. Very good. We'll do that over and over again. Then we'll get on to the deep fryer. Let's get some of these going. See if I can fit 3 in at a time. Ah, perfect. All right, we're getting through it. We're getting through it. I'm glad I did all those eggs. All right, while all that's cooking up, we're gonna mix up our sauce. So we're gonna take some Cholula, mix that in basically with some butter, quarter stick of butter. That is gonna be our basting sauce that's gonna go on our delicious sandwiches. So boop, 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 boop. This is great television, right? That's good. Now we're gonna put some butter in there. Thornhill, salted butter. Grass-fed, very delicious. Have it in our popcorn, makes for very good butter. So let's get this much butter. I don't know, what's that? A couple of teaspoons? We'll put that in there and then we'll push this out. We'll let that get ready. Bring in the cheese, some girth, Lakeview cheese, Fontina cheese. This is gonna be amazing. All right, let's start making some sandwiches. So first of all, we're gonna take a wonderful piece of chicken. There we go. We're gonna put some of our sauce on the chicken, Cholula sauce and butter. Beautiful. And then we're gonna put a big piece of cheese on it. Thank you, Girth, for the cheese. Supposed to be extra melty. There we are, and we're gonna put it on a big Kaiser bun. Oh, and they're not cut. All right, well, let's cut them up. So that pretty quick. We're gonna put some Kewpie on the Kaiser. All right, perfect. In they go. We'll put these back just to melt a little bit right on here, and so forth and so on, but there you go. Check that out. Right there. Jalapeno, chicken, Cholula, cheese, deep fried, crispy sandwich with butter. Now that's a sandwich.